Alright, I'm back. Sorry for the cut in the last stream. My electricity went out. Now it's back, so let's continue. Okay, so let's try to fix this program, this error. After the else statement, this else keyword, we are supposed to have this symbol, but we have the ending of the if statement. Okay, why is this happening? So we have if keyword, then this, then the expression part, identifier, p, term, expression end. After that we have this symbol, then this symbol. What is the ending part? What's the closing curly bracket? Oh, what? It's all messed up. What happened? I need to check if first of all, let me comment out this method because it might confuse us. We have an error in the if statement. Okay, so let's try to debug it. First we print if token. After that we advance it, then print this. We advance it and compile the expression. Then we advance again and print this. Up to this point I think it is correct. After that we advanced token again and print this. This is also correct, but after this when we advance it, we check if the next token is this or not. Yeah, so we are supposed to get it. We are supposed to call compile statements directly. After this it might work now, so let's check the else part. We did the same thing. Yeah, we need to do the same thing here. I think we need to change the statements method as well. Where is it? Let's try to print it. Okay, we have the code. Let's run the test. Oh, what? This time it's showing that the second file is shorter. What does it mean? Do we have the output this time? Oh yeah, we do have the output. Okay, only 144 lines. So what? How many lines do we have inside main.xml then? 114. And for out, what the hell? Both files have same number of lines. Why is it this text comparer is shitty? Both files have 114 lines. Let's check other files. Instead of main.how, let's check square this time. Square out.xml and square.xml. Ah yeah, same thing. And I'm sure both files have same number of lines. I'm pretty damn sure. Let's check. Square out XML 967. And that's it. I think now in this case we are getting correct output, but this text comparer is shitty. Let's check the text comparer itself. We need to debug it, I guess. Short small line convert argo into an absolute path. Okay, so this sh file is just a starter file, and the main logic is inside this class text compare. Okay. I think this text comparer is not really working. Okay, then how are we supposed to know our program is correct or not? Should we write our own text comparer which opens up the XML files? We can do that. Okay, let's try to write our own text comparer. If it is small, we'll continue. If it requires a lot more logic, then we'll scrap it. Let's call it, what should we call it? Text compare .py. user bin python. Is it user bin python or user env? Check. Okay. We'll need OS module, I guess. So I will need this module as well. What is it? Sys argv. We don't require we don't need the absolute path, right? But we do require 2 file descriptors. So first let's get file 1, sys.argv1, file 2 arg2. Now we'll open up these files. ff1 equal to open f1, open it up for reading, f2, okay, we have opened up both files for reading. For line in ff, can we read both files line by line? Read 2 files simultaneously line by line. Python. Wait, this is all right. Oops. This thing is all right, but are we closing the files after we are done reading from it? Yeah, we are not closing the files. That's how we close the files, right? Ah, yeah, we can use izip. For Python 3, we have zip. Yeah, I was thinking about zip as well. Alright, so let's use zip. Zip f1 ff2 son of a. Okay, so let's just print it, both of this, right? Print, let's say, we don't need this crap. We'll just do x dot strip y dot strip, and let's just print a new line character after this. Okay, let's run this. Okay, we will pass main out and expression main dot xml. Okay, so it seems it is correct. I think our compiler is working correctly. So we have class main symbol variable description keyword identifier symbol. Can do something else as well. We can compare these files. How can we compare two files, two lines? How to compare two strings in Python? Direct, can we use equal to directly? We can. Awesome. So then that's what we'll do. Well, status equal to st dot append x dot strip equal to y dot strip. So this will append. and we can use any function, any. That's also all, right? Yeah, we should use all. Cool, all of them are true. That means our compiler is working. Let's check other files. Now let's check the square file, square.xml. Square square out. Okay, for this file also it's true. Now square game. Square game .xml. Then why the hell that compare JavaScript? That comparer is not working. That comparer is shitty. Okay, let's compile other files as well. We have, so for the expressionless, dude, we could have used the difference file command as well, right? Could use this Linux what the hell is happening? Oops, there's a difference. Of course, there's a difference. The indentation is not correct. Let's just use online XML file comparer. Where is it showing the difference? Or does it mean it doesn't have any differences? Well, the program looks alright. It doesn't seem to have any issue, I think. But we need to fix the indentation. The indentation doesn't look that much good. It doesn't matter though. Doesn't show any status that. Let's check other website. Zero differences. Good. That means our compiler is working. Let's check square XML. Square out. Where's square out? Compare. What? Why is it not working? Yeah, it is working. There are zero differences. Good. Let's check the third file. Square game out. Square game.xml. Compare. Zero references. Wait, is this the same file? I don't think it is the same file. I think it is same. It's just that the output is ordered differently. Okay, so does this mean our compiler is working? Should we test other programs? So we tested the square dance. What other expressionless program do we have? Let me check. So we have square, expressionless square, and the array test. And what's inside array test? I don't think this array test is an expressionless program. Relevant to this project, which deals with syntax. Okay, I think we don't have the expressionless version of array test, but we have compiled three source code, three files at least. So, and all of them are compiled correctly. That means our compiler is working, I guess. Right. And I also found out this text comparer is shitty. So now, well, now that this is working, we should be building the expression compiler with the expressions as well, the compilation for the expression as well, because we just built the expressionless version. And I think this is it for today. We'll be building the remaining part of the compiler, the second version, in the next stream. So alright guys, I will see you in the next stream. Okay, have a nice time then. Bye bye.